Hey folks. This is Rocky. In this video I'm going to tell you how to create shortcut keys for any command you like. For example, I use the shortcut key to power clip inside. I don't like the long process of going into menus and options. That's not my kind of thing. Let's start. Go to Tools, Options, Customization, Commands in left panel. Now select Object from the scroll down menu. Click on Power Clip inside. Click on Shortcut Keys on the right side tabs. Give this a new shortcut of your choice. Mine is Alt+Z. Then click on Assign and press OK. Now make two objects to see if this is working or not. I'm creating one circle and one square. Select the circle and press Alt+Z, the shortcut I created. This will show the same arrow for power clip inside. Now click on the square with the arrow and boom. The circle is inside the square. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting. Keep creating. Thank you.